Hey guys, we are in Hawaii, and this series of videos is going to show me growing a plumeria from a stalk that I've bought from Jim Little at Jim Little's Plumeria farm here on Oahu. This variety is a Don Ho. It's a yellow flower, but I'm going to do a series of videos showing planting it, growing it, and just updates throughout the year. Thank you for watching the videos, and subscribe to follow the updates. Hello from Hawaii. January 2026, and this is my Jim Little Don Ho plumeria cutting that I got from the Little Plumeria farm here on Oahu. In this series of videos, we're going to go through how I plant it and its growth throughout the year for 2026. And here's an example of a mature Plumeria tree here on Oahu in Hawaii. Hey guys, it is Sunday, January the 25th, 2026. We have made it back from Hawaii, and I've got my cuttings that I got from the Jim Little Plumeria farm there on Oahu. I'm going to show you what we do. I've got them soaking in a little cup of water just for a second, just to get the tips of the stalks a little moist. I'm going to be dipping them in some rooting hormone, and they're going to go into the pots and into my warming nursery for the spring. So hopefully by March, April, we should be showing some growth and leaves and stuff on them. But again, here is, whoops, these are going to fall over. Let me turn this around this way. There is the Jim Little Don Ho that I showed you from the balcony when we were in Hawaii. Let me get this paper off of there. Now that I know what it is, I can get it labeled. But as you see, I just got just the base, just a little wet. You don't need a lot. I usually put way too much rooting hormone on there, but that's just me. You take it, I've got the potting soil mixed up. I've used half regular potting soil to a third of black cow. Mix in some perlite and some vermiculite. And all you have to do after you do that is just put it down in the hole. Just pack it in nice and tight so it doesn't move. You don't want, when the new roots start to form, you don't want the little hair-like root fibers to break or bend. Once you get it put in there like that, water it one good time, completely douse it, and then let it sit. Don't water it again until it starts showing forms of growth. Up on the tips here, you'll see some little leaf formations coming. Let me set this down so I don't spill it on everything. But after that first, you just completely saturate the soil, and then you don't have to do anything to it. Just keep it warm. Water it again once it starts showing growth, and then only when the soil starts to dry out, and you should have a good starting for a cutting from a plumeria. Alright, that's going to be our first little section in this video. I'm going to go ahead and get these I've got 3 other colors that I'm going to be getting potted up the same way. Once I get those potted up, they're going to go in my little nursery here in my building. They'll stay here until spring, then go outside. Be doing follow-up videos showing the progress of each one of these. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Again, pack the dirt in there real good and tight to keep the stalk from wiggling or moving in case it does get jostled around a little bit. You can also put a little stake in here and just a light tie just to support it if it's a little bit more wiggly. But if you pack the soil pretty good, it pretty much holds it in place. That's way too much, but I like to overdo it with a rooting hormone. Just a personal preference.